Absolutely sexy. Still has this little sticker on it to stay pristine for the next guy. The way I go through cars, who knows how long I'll have this. I do like the Cobra though. Hello Rated R Cars family. Sorry to be all up in your grill like this. The windshield of the Mustang is all up in my grill. Therefore, my camera is placed in such a way that puts my face all up in your grill. Therefore, our grills are sort of all up in each other's grills, so to speak. No! Anyway, so I just came back from Ford. I got my door sensor fixed, so that's a good thing. But it looks like they had to, in order to address the issue of the leaking coolant, it looks like they had to take apart the manifold, basically take apart the car. And they didn't have time to do that today unless they were going to keep the car, and I didn't feel like paying for a rental, so what I'm going to do is come back tomorrow morning and start fresh and just work from their office. So unfortunately, no news on the coolant leak today, other than it's going to take longer to diagnose, so I'm afraid that it doesn't seem to be as simple as I'd hoped, but I will update you guys tomorrow. It's not a fast leak by any means. I did have a puddle under my car this morning, about as big as my face. What do you mean that's huge? No. I like ice cream. There's the camera. Anyway, so a puddle about the size of my face. What do you mean the Great Lakes? Did you guys ever learn about cyberbullying? Anyway, I digress, as usual. So the other issue was that I was having those messages come up to say that system is shut down to preserve the battery life. However, I did get into another car inside the Ford dealership just now, and I saw the same issue on there. So it's probably just, I don't know, maybe my dash camera is running it low. So as you guys know, I have had a Corsa X-Pipe, a Resonator Delete X-Pipe sitting in my garage forever. But I do a lot of motorcycle riding during the summertime, so I've not installed that yet. I'm kind of hesitant to install it now until I see, you know, what's going on with the engine of this car. There's a couple of other YouTubers who have had engine problems with this car. Jeff Ashton, for example, his engine just blew. So I'm kind of holding off on the X-Pipe for now, although I'm not sure if that's a warranty voiding mod or not. I don't actually think an X-Pipe is, but I'm not sure. Either way, I'm holding off for a little bit longer. And then I'll do a full install and review of the X-Pipe. If this sounds as beastly now, can you imagine with the X-Pipe? So if you guys wouldn't mind doing me a favor and hitting that like button, that helps to sort of elevate us in the search results. I do want to grow the channel. We're over 5,100 subscribers now. I would like to grow that by 10,000, a factor of 10,000, and only you guys can help me to that end. So if you would share the videos, if you would hit the likes, if you would comment, I would appreciate it. I always interact with my audience and I reply to every single comment. Other ways you can support the channel are by using my Amazon links in the description below to buy stuff on Amazon. All you have to do is hit my link, and then whatever you buy, the channel will get a small portion of that, and that just helps me buy mods and stay afloat. I always appreciate the support you guys give. The Rated R Cars family is the best family. Love you guys. I do have a NASA track day event coming up in a couple of weeks. Hopefully this whole coolant issue is resolved before that. I'll keep you guys updated. So question for the subscribers. I want to build this car and build the channel based on your feedback. This is your channel. What do you guys think I should do to this car to mod it next? The GT350 is so awesome. This thing flies around the track. It goes around corners like you would not believe. It's physics defying. It's literally frightening driving this car around corners. But at the same time, you have that sort of comfort level that knowing that this car will save you even if you do get into trouble. This car is awesome. It is made for the racetrack, for the road course. It's not a drag racer, not yet, maybe someday. But around corners, this thing dominates. So what do you guys think I should do as sort of a mid-range mod, besides putting a blower on the car or any kind of a power adder? Leave your comments below. Let's discuss. right, guys, hopefully tomorrow I will have the car totally fixed up. In the meantime, always remember the motto,